Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you love to have smooth, blown out hair without going to the salon, you need to grab this. Monat's blowout cream is just fantastic. It is the best thing I've ever used for blow drying my hair and making sure that it is super smooth and frizz-free and sleek and shiny. It just does such a great job at making your hair look beautiful. The cream is very nice itself. You only need a little bit. And it's not super runny, but it's not super thick. So it's very easy to be able to put all throughout your hair. Just put a little bit in and then scrunch it through your hair, little bits at a time when your hair is wet, obviously, before you blow dry it. I find it helps my hair dry faster, and the blowout that I get is unlike any other. I love that it is cruelty-free, it is vegan, there are no toxic chemicals. It is just such a great product. So this is a must-have, and that is my point of view.